Video deals with introducing new constructions into your project. So previously we set up the material construction and saved the U value as an ELM file in the MEP Works Miner program. So we go into the project, we go into the mechanical section, and we go into the building section. Once in the building program, you will see on the elements listing and the tools and elements, these are all the constructions that you get when you start a new project from the default database. Now you can, if you want, edit construction. So if you've used a specific wall, you can see here highlighted in bold, that's the current wall that we're using. You can change the parameters here, but the idea is to introduce the new construction that we created earlier on in the previous video. So simple case, you go into the U value calculator. You can actually set this up here as well as we did in the previous video. But what we're going to do in this case is open up the construction that we created just now. New external wall ELM, open that up. There's the construction, so we could edit it, change it, and do what we will with it. All we then do is file, send element, select yes, and that will then put that element on the end of the listing of wall types. So we close the U value construction. We then transfer down to the end of the list, and you can see here there's our new wall type. So we've now introduced the new material into the database. Now what we want to do is change from one material type to another. So I want to change from the existing material, L1A 2013 wall, and I want to supplement and use now the new construction. So this is where the edit menu comes in, and we go into the global change elements, selecting the fact that it's a fabric, and we're going from L1A 2013 wall, and we're changing to the new demo wall construction. Now we can filter these rooms, so we could apply a room filter on a floor by floor basis, or just tick the rooms that we're doing the entire construction. So when I then select OK, you can see in the bottom left corner that changes the rooms. If I select any room, right button click and go to the face data, we will then see when I go to the wall, we're now using that new demo wall type as the construction. And we can then see on the list when we go to tools and elements for a second time, we scroll to the end of the list and the new material is highlighted in bold. So whenever you see a material in this listing here that's bold, that's currently the material you're using to perform your calculations. Same with glazing, exactly the same principle.